In line with the mandate of the Office of the Deputy Chief of Staff, responsible for performance and delivery management in government, we are today on a visit to Machakos County for purposes of inspection and verification of various national government projects. We are accompanied by the Cabinet Secretary for Water, Mr. Muga. We are also here with the Machakos County Commissioner, officials from the Government Delivery Unit, and relevant government implementing agencies. We started our project inspection with the 25-kilometer road that links or the turn-off from Mombasa Road to the Kenani Industrial Park. This is a road which is being implemented by the national government through the Kenya Urban Roads Authority to the tune of 1.7 billion shillings. The road is 60% complete. Then we went to the Kenani Leather Factory. As you are aware, leather is one of the new frontiers that, as a government, informed by guidance from His Excellency the President, we are pursuing as a means of diversifying our revenue streams. Hitherto, we have been having a case that you can term as exploitation of some of those involved in the livestock sector, more so with respect to hides and skins. We have middlemen purchasing this at throwaway prices. So we want to enhance our local processing capacity of leather products, and that is why the Kenani Leather Factory project came into being. We have visited that facility. We have got warehouses there which are already 100% complete, because we want to have an end-to-end situation where once the leather is processed, we can actually get the private sector to also come in and set up their own processing facilities, so that at the end of the day we have got the finished leather product, be they shoes, be they handbags, and so on and so forth. We have also inspected an effluent facility, water treatment, waste treatment facility. Within that again is 93% complete. Subsequent to that, we have visited the affordable housing project within Machakos town. This is a project that entails 220 houses, starting with studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, up to 3-bedroom houses. That project is complete. It's going to facilitate affordability of housing to the residents of Machakos town and its environs. But on the flip side of it, we have got a critical mass, about 400 youth who have gained from that affordable housing program by way of jobs, and also market for products such as windows and doors and several other supplies. The other thing that the project that we have visited is the market at Mututini. This is a facility that should be able at full capacity utilization level to cater for over 200 market traders. This is in line with our bottom-up economic transformation agenda, where we are trying to support, as a government, those who are operating at the bottom of the economic pyramid. More so our mothers and sisters and brothers who are involved in itinerary trade. This is a modern market that entails the stalls, it entails administrative offices, it has got an ICT lab. You are aware that the government is also going big on digitalization as a means of not just undertaking government delivery mechanisms, but also empowering those who are involved in entrepreneurship and trade to market their products. So we have got an ICT hub there also within the market that would enable faster connectivity between the traders and the market. Because in the world of digital technology today, you don't need a physical interaction between the sellers of commodities and the buyers of the commodities. That can be undertaken virtually. Then we have visited the Machakos School for the Deaf. And specifically, we were interested in looking at the digital hub which the national government has set up there for purposes of digital skilling for our youth, the students. We are aware that digital skilling and digital jobs, again, is a major plank within our digital economy program, within the plan, the Kenya Kwanza plan. But we want to make it all-inclusive. Like today, we have attended a class session where the facilitator is all the way at Kise, but the students are here at Machakos School of the Deaf. So this just goes to show you that inclusivity is imperative and in fact is being implemented in all government programs and activities to ensure that no single segment of the Kenyan population has been left behind. Our development programs are well on track. We recently undertook a midterm review of the implementation status of all national government development programs and projects. And I can assure Kenyans that we are on track. We have taken note of the milestones that we have realized in terms of the status of implementation of those projects. And moving forward, we are also zeroing in on the specific projects and programs that we need to zero in on by way of prioritization for the remainder of the current term of the 5th administration. We have been inspecting these projects all over the country. We have been to Mombasa, we have been to Lamu, we were in Murang'a last week, today we are here in Machakos, next week we are heading elsewhere. The spread across the length and width of the country just goes also to espouse the fact that the current government is ensuring equity and equitability in the distribution of government development projects and programs. You are aware that before, we had got complaints that some parts of the country were being excluded in terms of implementation of development programs. Today, all parts of the country, under the leadership of the president, are going to get benefit from national government projects indiscriminately, irrespective of politics. So this government is committed to ensuring that government projects are delivered to all parts of the country in conformity to the principle of equity and equitability.